Introducing the 2017 Dodge Durango. With just over 30,000 miles on the odometer, this four-door sport utility vehicle prioritizes comfort, safety, and convenience. All of the premium features expected of a Dodge are offered, including leather upholstery, front and rear air conditioning, high-intensity discharge headlights, power moonroof, heated door mirrors, a power liftgate, and remote keyless entry. Rear passengers enjoy the seat heating functionality, keeping them warm during the winter months. Dodge ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, anti-whiplash front head restraints, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. When road conditions become unpredictable, rely on all-wheel drive to maintain outstanding control. This vehicle has achieved certified pre-owned status by passing a comprehensive certification process, including a rigorous 125-point inspection. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.